PTI chairman Imran Khan departs from the Islamabad High Court almost 11 hours after a division bench of the IHC comprising Justice Mia Gul Hassan Aurangzeb and Justice Saman Rafat Imtiaz granted him 2-week bail in the Al Qadir Trust case, in which he was whisked away by rangers from IHC premises on May 9. The Islamabad High Court on Friday also barred authorities from arresting PTI chairman Imran Khan in cases including those that undisclosed registered across the country until Monday, May 15. The Islamabad High Court on Friday also barred authorities from arresting PTI chairman Imran Khan in cases including those that are undisclosed registered across the country until Monday, May 15. The court also granted protective bail to the former Prime Minister in 3 terrorism cases registered against him in Lahore and the Zille Shah murder case. Following his late-night departure, PTI chief released a video statement claiming that IG Islamabad Akbar Nasir tried his best to retain him at the capital's High Court. He said that they did not let us leave for 3 hours, saying that it's dangerous outside. He went on to claim that when they came out, the roads were empty and there was no danger of any kind. In an informal conversation with journalists at the IHC earlier in the day, Imran said that NEP officials treated him fine. Imran, however, claimed that he was hit on the head while being arrested. He further said that he was also not able to get in touch with his wife, Bushra Bibi. Talking about violent protests in the country, Imran said he had already warned that there would be a reaction to the arrest. Former PM said he could not be held responsible for the protests as he was in the custody. Federal Information Minister Maryam Aurangzeb has refuted reports about the imposition of emergency rule in the country, saying that no decision on this was taken during today's cabinet session. State broadcaster PTV News quotes Aurangzeb as saying that reports in the media about the imposition of emergency in the country are baseless. She said that no decision was taken in the cabinet meeting regarding the implementation of emergency. The minister requested the media not to run any news without verifying it first. JUI chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman said on Friday that the PDM leadership has decided to stage a protest against the Supreme Court's behavior. He appealed to the whole nation to head out for Islamabad on Monday as a big protest will be carried out in front of the Supreme Court. However, PDM chairman assured that the sit-in will remain peaceful. While announcing the protest in front of the apex court, JUI chief said that if any vandalism or ransacking, then it means PTI miscreants have entered their ranks and they will be caught on the spot. JUI chief said that the hooliganism and terrorism being carried out in the country and the court is protecting that terrorism. Maulana Fazlur Rahman also criticized the judiciary for granting protective bail to PTI chairman Imran Khan. Fazl said that one can imagine where the judiciary is standing and how it is giving decisions against the law and constitution. The Supreme Court has fixed for Monday the Election Commission of Pakistan's plea asking the top court to revisit its order of holding elections to the Punjab Assembly on May 14. In a unanimous judgment on April 4, the bench had quashed the electoral body's decision to extend the date for polls in the province from April 10 to October 8 and fixed May 14 as the new date. The petition will now be heard a day after the court-ordered election deadline lapses. A 3-member bench comprising Chief Justice of Pakistan Umar Ata Bandial and Justices Ejazul Ahsan and Munib Akhtar will take up the plea next week, the same bench that had issued the order for elections in Punjab. In its plea, the ECB said that the changing the election program was the solitary domain of the Commission under the Section 58 of the Elections Act 2017. It asked the court to take back its April 4 judgment in the interest of justice, emphasizing that Article 254 should be used to stultify the constitutional imperative of holding the elections within 90 days. But the apex court should also look at the ground realities. The provision suggested that failure to comply with requirements as to time does not render an act invalid.